On this episode of Haroon Eats and Travels, we are back at it again with one of our late night escapades. So we came across this place called The Best Chicken. Is it the best chicken though? Well, we're gonna find out. Let's go.
The best chicken, man. All right, so we're up in the middle of the night in Abu Dhabi.
This is the best chicken. It is good chicken.
It smells good. You guys want to try here? You guys want to try something here?
Arabic, then also the normal red chicken.
You want to do 1, 2, 3? Whatever you want to do.
And also we have fish. You know the fish?
Yes.
Yeah.
Brother, you take card?
Yeah, of
Do you
course.
take-
we
okay,
take
just
card.
making sure, inshallah.
Yeah, and so where are you from?
From America, but from my family's from Pakistan. From Pakistan.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. How are you, brother?
Yeah. So
All right, came to this little hole in the wall spot called Best Chicken. They better have the best chicken because that's a very, very big name to live up to. But inshallah, it smells good, so we'll see. Gonna give it a try.
yeah, of course.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it good?
Then it's good.
Is it just okay or is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Is it okay? What you want to drink?
Then also we have Chinese fried avocado.
Oh my God. That looks kind of cool.
You guys want to drink?
I'm gonna get drink.
What you want to drink?
There is a 4 layer. See the same things, 4 layer. Like
What is
mango.
what's the flavor? Is that coconut?
There's a mango.
Oh, it's mango at the top.
Sorry, there's a banana,
Banana?
strawberry, then mango and avocado.
Avocado. You know what? I'll get that. And they got a variety of different faludas, different variety of shakes.
You want faluda?
Faluda, you sure?
Nothing? You want a drink?
Different mojitos.
I'll wash it down.
Watermelon.
No? You want a juice or shake, bro?
I'm gonna get a juice, bro, but I'm gonna do
Mango
Ooh.
juice or shake?
1 second, please. Sorry, brother.
Yeah, of course.
Pineapple.
Just one. Yeah, it's already right.
Eston, where did you see? Oh, up there, watermelon.
लेकिन लाहौर गया वो भी मिलता जुलता बॉम्बे से मानी मिलेगा ओके ठीक है नहीं फिर जो है
नहीं आपको अगर रॉयल फलूदा जो थोड़ा अच्छा होगा वन स्पाई द नॉर्मल चिकन या रेड वन
One peri peri.
वन पेरी that's it
Can you repeat the menu just one time? Make sure you have it.
there's 2 mango faluda then 2 watermelon 2 pineapple then 1 mango fresh juice
No, I did watermelon.
watermelon 1 mango
मैंगो क्रॉस कर
of course okay then 1 biryani and 3 charcoal like 1 ginger garlic 1 spicy the peri peri then 1 onion.
Do we have the mango faluda? Did we have that? We got 2 mango faludas. Perfect. Thank you.
Best Chicken happened to be one of the restaurants that we literally just walked into. The name caught our attention, of course, and we wanted to give it a try. This place takes pride in providing mouth-watering and fresh chicken, but they also have a variety of different culinary delicacies that you might dig. Everything from Chinese, Indian, Arabic cuisine, sandwiches, burgers, and milkshakes. But we came here for the chicken.
I got time for y'all bro you got your party
एक मिनट पकड़ो पकड़ो रखो मत
What kind of sauce? This is garlic sauce, brother?
Yeah, garlic.
Garlic sauce? Like tahini or is it mint sauce?
that one is peri peri
Peri peri?
and also ginger garlic
Perfect. So we got the peri peri right here. Ginger garlic. What was this one? The red chicken? You said red chicken? Charcoal. Charcoal chicken.
bread
Some salads.
Nah, bro.
So yeah. Well, look at the chicken it's pretty good, right? But I mean, we'll see if it tastes good. We definitely got to find out if this is the best chicken.
Well, it's packed in here, so maybe it's the best chicken.
Yeah. guys want to start? What did they give us?
I'm good, bro.
Sure.
Yeah.
Come on.
No, thanks, bro.
I'll take it, bro. That's what type of bread did they give us? Sure. I know you're good, but we like some bread. Huh? Sure.
Okay. We just have
bro.
some. Huh?
I don't think they have a bathroom here, right? Which one is the garlic? This is the garlic one, bro. So we have best chicken. We're about to see if this is really the best chicken, man. We've got 3 varieties. We've got peri-peri chicken, charcoal chicken, and this garlic chicken. Let's see if this tastes any good. So we're gonna start off with the garlic chicken, man. I'm gonna try it with some bread. It's alright. It's good.
Is that what?
How's yours?
Good. Man, bomb. That's good.
Yep. I'll try it with the sauce though. Let me see if I compliment it with the sauce, if it's any good with that. I don't know what kind of sauce this is. Is this like tahini or what?
I'm gonna go see them later.
Yeah, it's tahini, bro. Try it with the garlic sauce.
Okay. Probably seems like it.
Garlic sauce is a good compliment, but
You try this one?
I haven't tried that one.
This one got a lot of heat.
More than this, of course, right?
And this one has way more heat than that one.
You thought it was okay? They wanted to eat.
That was good. I just want to. I don't want to burn my ass, but
The chicken isn't as garlicky. I thought it was gonna be more garlicky, man. Some peri-peri chicken, bro. It's got a lot of pepper. It looks like it's got some dry crushed pepper. Of course, probably immersed in peri-peri marinade. But let's check it out. Yep. That's not bad.
yep. After you eat more and more, though, it's super salty.
Yeah. You gotta really immerse it in the sauce, bro. And like the dipping sauces, you have to put it in there, dude. Otherwise, it's overly
Try a
salty.
piece Just so you know what you're trying, bro. Yeah. This is a big.
It's got a lot of kick. It's good,
Yeah.
but it is
Wanna
salty,
try?
though. Woo! I got kick.
All right.
It just burns up after a while.
We got a cake. This one.
That one.
We'll try it.
Probably.
I try.
I'll take a little bite. I don't want
I just want to like it.
Yeah, I got heat.
We know who the adventurous one is of the 3, though. Right?
Always.
Yeah.
At least with food.
Gotta stay dangerous, bro, when it comes to the food.
Stay dangerous.
Gotta stay dangerous, bro.
Not exactly. Depending on where you're at. Went to a whole country and they left me for about 48 hours. They were sick.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah. He had an IV.
Watermelon? Oh, man.
Yeah.
Mango faluda. Yeah, I dug into the mango faluda.
The mango's nice.
It was good. It's really
Got
good.
some guys?
Pana? What's that?
Water?
Oh, pani.
Try it, see?
We were there,
Got
dog.
the thumbs up from him.
You remember that? I was like, man, I'm surprised you remembered it.
The saltier you got.
All right, so this is the charcoal chicken. Let's see. I'll try it and see if it's any good.
Yeah.
That one's actually really good, bro.
Really good.
I like it. I mean, it's not overly hot. Salt is a good amount of salt. And yeah, man, not overcooked. Pretty juicy. Did you try that one, bro? Charcoal chicken?
Got a little bit of it.
It's pretty good. Yeah, the mango faluda hits. This is the one right here. This is really good. The juices were all good, you know. I think all the brothers love the juices, huh?
No, it's like
I wouldn't order this garlic one again.
yeah.
But
you was just gonna give it a Conor McGregor. He was just gonna say it can't be. It got to be Floyd Mayweather.
I mean, no, man. I was about to though. Yeah, but it's good. I mean, after trying the other chickens, this one was like whatever. But
That's last.
is it the best chicken though? I don't know about that, but it's good. It's actually really good. No, Jazakallah khair, brothers, for having us over. Your food was excellent. Chicken is awesome, and I definitely highly recommend this place. You guys, Medina side, Abu Dhabi, come and pay them a visit. All right, that's a wrap, guys. Now, was this the best chicken I've ever tasted? You know what? I'm gonna leave that up to y'all. But I will say that the charcoal chicken as well as the peri-peri chicken were pretty good. We're actually really good. Definitely recommend this place. Customer service was on point. And again, it's like a little hole in the wall, man, in Abu Dhabi. Open late nights, definitely worth visiting. Remember, guys, if you like what you saw, remember to subscribe to your boy's channel, leave a comment for your boy, and like the video.